कर्नाटका में ओमिक्रॉन के आज 107 नए मामले मिले, जिससे रियासत में ओमिक्रॉन मुतासरीन की तादाद 333 पहुंच गई। इससे पहले रियासत में कोविड-19 के हालात पर चर्चा के लिए कैबिनेट की मीटिंग हुई, जहां रियासत के मौजूदा हालात का जायजा लिया गया। इस मौके पर वजीर आर अशोक ने कहा कि हर जरूरी बातों पर हुकूमत की नजर है और सही वक्त पर सही कदम उठाए जाएंगे। हालांकि कांग्रेस सदर टीके शिव कुमार ने कोरोना की मीटिंग पर तंज किया। उन्होंने कहा कि मौजूदा सरकार कोरोना को लेकर पूरी तरह से नाकाम है।
Yesterday 1000 is there, today 1050 is there, 2050, so increasing. Bangalore also in the red zone. In the Kendra, central government already issued the guidelines to us also. That's why we have to, today we are taking strict actions.
Are you planning to increase the beds and hospitals and the
Yes, preparation also we are thinking, beds regarding oxygen, medicine, everything today we are discussing. We will store the medicines, everything we will done. We know the last second wave had happened. This time we will be very alert. We will take very actions to save the people of Karnataka.
Sir, mainly what about the lockdown or the semi-lockdown?
Up to now we are not decided. The meeting will decide. Meeting will decide. Meeting will decide. But strict action must be taken.
Central government is not interested in any activities of Karnataka. It is not only the COVID. No GST, no Narega money, no development, nothing is there.
Restrictions could be locked down. Would you be supporting lockdown?
No, it is not. See, it is only a creation. There is nothing. It is only to just see that we doesn't get any political mileage. No need of lockdown. No need to harass any people. We have to follow the COVID protocol. We should respect the COVID protocol. But still, let the government is there. Let them take care of that.
But CM yesterday has said that we will take a long-term decision related to the lockdown and the controlling.
It is their duty. Already they have failed in the various. The entire government has failed in managing the entire COVID situation, and they are continuing to be in the same attitude.
खबरों में बने रहने के लिए आप हमारे फेसबुक, ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम पेज को फॉलो कर सकते हैं और ताज़ा अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल जी सलाम को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और हाँ, बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।